It's Amy Rich with another in my series of the 12 Projects of Christmas and Take a Peek. This is the Paper Pumpkin kit from November, and it made these 4 amazing tags. In the kit, it had everything to make these tags. I think it was like 6 of each, so it was a good deal of product in that kit. These are the items from the kit that we will use in today's alternate project. We're going to start with a piece of 8.5 by 11 Whisper White cardstock, and I have scored it in half lengthwise, so at 4 1/4 inches. And then the other direction, I have scored it at 2 3/4, 5 1/2, and then 8 1/4. Then we're going to fold on all those lines. Okay, and then when we've got those all folded, then we're going to fold it in half this way again. And we're going to take a snips. We're going to cut on that scored line just up to the next scored line. So you've got it like this. All right, then we are going to flip those out, squish them together to make it, to make the slit the other direction. And then we're gonna fold it all over like a book. All right. And if they don't quite match up, it's okay. You know, you've got a little hanging out this way or that way, it's all right. All right, then we see that we've got some open pages. So we'll just take our snail and tape those pages shut. You should have 2 like that. All right, so here we've got our little book. All right, we're gonna take a couple of the pieces of ribbon, and this is all I had left from it. So we're gonna just kind of piecemeal this together. If I was doing it with the pieces of the kit that are still intact, I would just take a long piece of ribbon and do this. But we're gonna put a couple glue dots down and attach our ribbon, and we're gonna flip and do the same thing on the other side. So we'll put a couple of glue dots. Easier to pick them off with my finger. If I had the take your pick tool handy, I would grab that. But all right, so then we're going to attach this one to there as well. Okay, we'll trim that down a little bit so they are a little more even. Okay. Then we'll take some tear and tape and attach that to the front. And then you can see we're going to take a tag from the kit and we're going to put that right over the front of our book. So this is the cover. And now let me show you the finished project so that you can see what it looks like. All right, you can see here that we've added the tag. There was some silver cord in the kit that I used to tie at the top. Added some of the little holly leaves and stamped love and joy on the tag, and the tag is from the kit, or the banner I should say. And then we also had some sequins in the kit. Now we have it tied shut. Oh, I should show you the back. The back is just a piece of Poppy Parade cardstock covering that ribbon. All right, then we open this up. And you can see I had a photo of beautiful winter trees, so I put that here. And then Let It Snow, I stamped from the stamp set in the kit, added the snowflakes and the rhinestones. On the next page, I just have a picture showcasing my little family from lots of years ago. Added the little Poppy Parade circle and then the tree. And notice the tree from the kit has a little circle on the top. I just snipped that off. In the tag, the circle acts as a spot for you to run your silver cord, but I snipped that off then for this page and popped up my deer on with the dimensionals that were in the kit. And this here's our family that year, our whole family. And then over here, you can see that I put the sled with one of the big red birds and some little sprigs and some more sequins. Let me show you how I made the sled short enough to fit in my book. Okay, we're going to bring in our trimmer and we're going to lay our sled down at the 2.5 inch mark on our trimmer. And we're going to take the scoring blade, the light colored one. We're going to score a line there at 2.5, and then we're going to move the sled down to 3 and make another score line. So now on our score lines, we're going to fold the first score line under, and then we're going to bring that second score line back again. Oh, let's flip-flop that. All right, so the first score line over and the second score line back. All right, that creates a little pocket for our bird to sit. All right, so we'll want to go ahead and attach our bird. I'm just going to use some snail. And now we're ready to put some tape here to tape that down. And then we're going to want to go underneath and put some more tape so that it shortens it up enough that it'll now fit inside my book. Clever, huh? And there is the finished page once again. And again, the back. So this is just a quick and easy little album that you can give as a gift or keep as a keepsake on the coffee table. I hope you've enjoyed today's alternate paper pumpkin project and project number 7 of the 12 projects of Christmas. Merry Christmas!